In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order a Wise Mastercard from Bangladesh using the updated method. Before you begin, it's important to understand the current situation. The first thing you need to do is check Wise's official card availability page and confirm whether Bangladesh is listed as a supported country for card issuing. Based on the latest Wise information, Bangladesh is not currently listed as an eligible country for receiving a Wise card. That means if you are living in Bangladesh, the physical card order option may not be available to you right now. If Wise services are still available in your region for other features, the next step is to create a Wise account using your real personal details. Make sure all the information you enter is accurate because Wise requires identity verification, and your account features can depend on your country. In some places, you may be able to register, hold money, or send money, but card access can still be restricted. After your account is set up, open the Wise app and go to the Cards section. If your account is eligible, you may see the option to select Get a Card. If that option does not appear, or if Wise does not allow you to continue, that usually means your country is not currently eligible for physical card issuing. One very important point here is that you should not try to work around this by using a fake foreign address or selecting a different country. Wise checks your personal details and residency information, and cards are only issued to people who genuinely live in eligible countries. Using incorrect information can lead to problems with your account or verification. If you later move legally and genuinely to a country where Wise cards are supported, you can update your actual country of residence in your Wise account. At that point, complete any extra verification Wise asks for. Once your account becomes eligible, go back into the Cards section and choose the option to order a new card. When ordering the physical Wise card, enter your real delivery address, review the card fee, and check the available delivery options. Depending on the country, there may also be faster shipping choices. After reviewing everything carefully, submit your order. Once the card arrives, follow the activation instructions in the Wise app. After activation, add money to your Wise account so the card is ready to use. From there, you can start using it anywhere Wise cards are supported. So the key takeaway is simple. If you are currently in Bangladesh, first verify eligibility,